Hello, today I'm going to give you a demo on the Ashok Layland utility software. Okay, I will just open the Ashok Layland software here. This is communication with COM port established. This is because I have already configured my laptop to communicate with the intended COM port. Okay, that's why it's giving positive warning message. Press OK. Then it will give you enable to generate report file for the previous day, because previous day I have not run this utility. That's why this warning message coming up. Just ignore this warning message and go ahead. It will give you the it will open the software. Okay, now for the first time what you have to do is you have to go here, do the comport setting. Here you have to select the comport. Here you can see the list of COM ports available on your computer. Just select the COM port to which your cluster is connected. Okay, then press save. It will give you a message: COM10 port selected, please restart the application. Press OK, then close this, then do the path setting. Okay, this is the folder where you want to keep your master files, your reports uh, of the software. Okay, here I have kept this is the my path. Okay, config and reports. It will generate two folders. One is config, second one is reports. Okay, reports folder will have reports of every day. Okay, and config file will have a master record. Okay, master file. Then press this button, fill all the master records into the master file. It is created in the config folder. Press OK, close the utility and reopen it. Press OK, close it, close it. Now this is the only configuration you have to do initially when you uh, when you initially open the utility. Now you can see I have reopened it. Now it is giving me a message: communication with COM port established. Press OK. Then enable to generate report file for previous day. Press OK. Yes, you have the utility software running on the computer. Okay, now it has everything in it. You can see the path. Okay, then COM port settings you can see here. Okay, now if you just still click this, you can see all the part numbers which are entered into the Excel sheet. Okay, this Excel sheet you can find it here in the path. Just go into the config path and open this master XLS file. Okay, this master XLS file contains all the information of the parameters. Okay, this is MSL parameter number, customer part number, speedo, ratio, pulses. Okay, twin axle, RPM, center frequency, EOR on value, EOR off value, pulse per revolution, over speedo warning, on value, off value, dial range, RPM, dial range, speedo. Okay, so here you have to just fill all the records. Just go fill whatever length you want to fill here. Okay, this is all the records we have to fill here. This is the master file. You can close for now. Okay, now then we'll select the first path number. Okay, now you can see it has loaded all the parameters and it will give you a warning message, that is that parameters are within limit value and loaded successfully. Okay, then press OK. Then these are the all parameters. Okay, which are taken from the master file into the these boxes. Okay, with respect to all the values. Okay, dial range, dial speedo, everything. Okay, now to start programming, what you have to do is you have to just press login button. okay. It will give you logged in. Okay, this logged in will will give you all the records present in the cluster. Okay, for now it is the same records present in the cluster, that's why it's giving the same numbers here. Okay, now we'll just flash the other records. Okay, see here I have selected the wrong part number. If I enter the value wrong, it will give this message, check this value. So that value is not the within a limit, within the limit specified. Okay, so we have to give that properly. I mean, we have to enter all the values properly. Now we have selected the second part number to program into the cluster. Okay, now we'll just, you can see here 1002, 2002, 3002, 222, everywhere it's 2. Okay, just for the identification I have selected this kind of data. Okay, this kind of record, this kind of ratio. Okay, now I will program it. You can see all the thing, all the processes going on. Okay, verification ongoing, everything you can see here. Okay, it will give you verification success. This message comes, it means that all these parameters from this to this, all these parameters are successfully programmed into the cluster, because I am showing this message after the verification, after reading all the values stored into the ESquareProm. I mean, they should come from ESquareProm. Okay, then I will restart it. It's just the step-by-step process we have to follow. First, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now press login here. This login is just to read all the temperature values, temperature on value and temperature off value. Okay, and this login will read the parameters present inside the cluster. It was 00, that's why it has given 00. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to press this read. It will give here, you can see here, read here. If I press the read, it will read the ADC counts of temperature gauge, and it will show here, it will go show here. Okay, then what you have to do is press 6 step on parameters are transferred. Okay, so this on parameters are transferred to here, temperature on value. Okay, for the sake, what I can do is I can just program here 100. Okay, and transfer it to on. Okay, on parameters transferred, press OK, then read it 0. It's reading 0 for now because I don't have the temperature gauge connected here in my laptop. But if you connect all the temperature sensor to your cluster, temperature sensor or decade box or whatever you are using, that if you connect to temperature input, then it will give you the temperature ADC count. Okay, so in the embedded software you have to uh, read the ADC count, current ADC count always. Okay, and so that way you have to read that. Okay, and you will get the ADC count. Okay, then for now it's coming 0 to me. You will get some number. Okay, I'll, for the sake of showing, I will press here, enter here 200, then transfer to off parameters transferred, press OK, then I'll just press this program button. It will give you, see, parameters programming complete. So these parameters are temperature gauge. Okay, so from 4th, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, these steps are to read the temperature values. Okay, on and off values. After changing on and off values, LED on and off values, temperature gauge LED on and off values, after changing that it will give you this. Okay, and after that you have to program. Then 10th step, it's restarting everything. So this restart will restart the cluster, as well as it will reconfigure utility to go into either this step from first or from fourth. Okay, now we can see what is programmed. Okay, now if I press this login button, see, you can see 100 and 200 coming. That means the temperature on and off values are have been already gone into the cluster. Okay, now I will show you. You can again read here. It will give you 0 because I don't have ADC here. Okay, so this is how the steps are. Now if you have any questions, you can ask, and thank you.